It's the ultimate showdown. The new king, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this stunning new copper finish versus the reigning champion, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's unbox them and see if the upgrade is really worth it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Opening them up, and as expected from Apple, the unboxing experience is nearly identical. You get the device, your documentation, the SIM removal tool, and of course, the braided USB-C to USB-C cable. No power bricks here, folks, just the essentials. Looking at the build, both devices still rock that industry-leading IP68 water and dust resistance. You can see the USB-C ports on the bottom are identical. Apple has fully committed to the universal standard here. On the side, the similarities continue. You have the action button and the dedicated camera control button on both generations. Booting them up, they are both running the latest iOS, giving you that smooth, familiar ecosystem experience. Now let's talk screens. No changes in size here. Both are massive 6.9-inch panels. And of course, they both feature that buttery smooth 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate. Scrolling feels instant on both devices. Under the hood, regarding graphics, both utilize a 6-core GPU setup for high-end gaming. The display technology is the same LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Storage options are similar too, starting at 256 GB. But the 17 Pro Max pushes the limit with a massive 2 TB option for the creators out there. Here is where they drift apart. Let's look at the key differences. While the clock speeds look close on paper, the architecture is different. The main cameras both sport 48 megapixels with that wide f1.6 aperture for low light. However, the zoom is where the 17 takes the lead. We finally get a 48 megapixel telephoto lens on the 17 Pro Max, compared to just 12 on the 16. And look at the selfie cam, a jump to 18 megapixels on the 17, giving you much sharper front-facing video. Gamers, pay attention. The 16 Pro Max used graphite sheets for cooling, but the 17 Pro Max introduces a vapor chamber. This is huge for sustained performance in hot weather. Physically, the 17 is slightly heavier at 233 grams and a bit thicker at 8.75 millimeters to accommodate that new cooling system. For multitasking, the 17 Pro Max gets a massive boost to 12 GB of RAM, leaving the 8 GB on the 16 in the dust. And for outdoor use, the 17 Pro Max hits a blinding 3000 nits peak brightness, significantly brighter than the 2000 nits on the 16. Powering the new beast is the A19 Pro 3nm chip, a generation ahead of the A18 Pro. This is the fastest chip in a smartphone, period. Now the painful part, the price in Nigeria. The 16 Pro Max sits between 1.4 to 3 million Naira, but the 17 Pro Max, you are looking at up to 3.7 million Naira. Is it worth it? Well, with a larger 5088 mAh battery, camera, processor, and that vapor chamber, it just might be. Which one are you picking? Let me know.